Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide your online status in 8-ball pool. If you want to play 8-ball pool without showing your online status, then first of all, open up the 8-ball pool application on your device. Once you're in the home section, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom left. This will bring up the settings menu from where you'll need to scroll all the way down until you find Show My Online Status to Friends option. Now if you see the green highlighted on the button, it says that you have enabled access to show your online status. If you want to hide your online status, simply toggle off the button right next to Show My Online Status to Friend. Make sure that you turned off this button and leave it like this. Soon after you toggle off the option, your status will no longer be visible. Now you can enjoy your privacy while playing. That's how you easily do it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.